Unit 1, Determination of weight of an object using the principle of moments. Aim to determine the weight of an object using principle of moments. Practicals, science practicals. Using principle of moments. Apparatus required: a meter scale, a knife edge, sorted weight, thread. Procedure: a meter scale is supported at its center of gravity by a knife edge or suspended by a thread on its center so that the scale is in horizontal position. Ensure the scale is in equilibrium position. The unknown weight W2 and unknown weight W1 are suspended from either side of the scale using the weight hangers. Fix the position of one weight. Fix the position of one weight. Fifth position of one weight hanger and adjust the position of the second weight hanger such that the scale is in equilibrium. Measure the distance of D1 and D2, the two weights hangers of the center of the scale accurately. The experiment is repeated different position of known weight measures. Measure the distance of the reading tablet follows. Serial number. Weight of the hanger kg. Distance known as weight of D1. Distance of known weight D2 m. W2 into D2. அது வந்து unknown weight W1 equal to W2 into D2 by D1 kgல 1 0.5 distance known weight இது weight in hanger 0.5 distance of known weight வந்துட்டு 0.3 distance of unknown weight வந்து 0.4 W2 into D2 வந்து 0.2 unknown weight வந்துட்டு அந்த ஃபார்முலாவில் உள்ளது வந்துட்டு 0.670 0.6 distance of known weight வந்து 0.3 இது 0.32 equal to 0.19 இது unknown weight 0.640 weight in weight hanger வந்து 0.7 unknown weight 0.3 distance of known weight also 0.3 இங்கே W2 into D2 வந்து 0.19 unknown weight W2 into D2 divided by D1 kgல 6.5 mean weight வந்து 6.80 calculations moment of force can be calculated using the formula moment of force into force distance anti-clockwise moment by unknown weight W1 to D1 clockwise moments by unknown weight W2 into D2 W1 to D1 divided equal to W2 into D2 unknown weight W1 equal to W2 into D2 W2 into D2 using the principle இது next calculation. Wait. Calculation. W1 வந்து W1 equal to 0.5 divided by 0.5 divided into 0.4 divided by 0.3. Answer வந்து 0.670. W2 வந்து 0.6 into 0.32 divided by 0.3. Answer வந்து 0.640. W third one வந்து 0.7 into 0.25 divided by 0.3 வந்து 0.650.